Hey guys, I want to show you an after patch on how to get a ton of treasure zombies on the darkest shore. Originally, you could jump out one of the windows and go hang out on top of the map and just let them spawn in, but they patched that window glitch. And you want these treasure zombies because they drop parts A, B, and C, and it allows you to unlock this Blood Raven Hunter character, and it can take a lot of treasure zombies before you get all 3 parts. This hunter outfit is one of the better looking ones. The one on the right is the original one that you get on the final Reich, and then the one on the left is the one that you get from the treasure zombies on the darkest shore. It's definitely more distinguished, and it's the character I like to use the most. There is a trick to getting treasure zombies to spawn in, and I'll show you guys what that is, and I explained that in another video that I had made about this. There are certain objectives around the map that you have to do before they will start spawning in, and basically you have to get to the point where you get the secret room open. It's that big circular door where you put the 3 stones in, and then it will open and you'll see a big statue there with the 3 assassins. I'm not going to explain all the minimum steps that are required to get this door open in this video because I showed it in another video. If you guys don't know how to do it, I'll have that video linked down in the description. The original method that I posted for this was, get that door open and then go jump out of the map. By the artillery bunker, there was like a window you could jump into down yourself. You would spawn through the window, and then you could just go run around on top of the map, and you would be away from the map so that when the treasure zombies spawned in, you weren't in a situation where they would blow up and die. If you're inside the map, they see you, so they die after a certain amount of time if you don't kill them yourself. But when you're outside the map or outside the playable area, they can see you, but they don't blow up, so they'll just stack up. Since that out of the map is now patched, we have been trying to figure out a new way to do this. Well, there is a new way, and I've showed this glitch before, but what you want to do is come over here by the Pack-a-Punch area, and you're going to be jumping through a doorway in a zombie spawn, and with this, all you want to do is just walk towards the door. Do not run, and you want to jump crouch really fast. But you want to make sure that when you do the jump crouch is when you actually hit that doorway and when it's at your highest point of jump. For this glitch to work really well, and you want the treasure zombies to stack up, you need to have every player in this room or just be solo and don't have any players on the playable area. And I'll explain in a moment why you want the treasure zombies to actually stack up. So the way the treasure zombies spawn in is that yes, you have to open that secret chamber, and then sometimes a treasure zombie will spawn in immediately, but sometimes it will take a while. They are on a timed interval of an hour, 15 minutes. And I spoke about this before. That's a little Treyarch Easter egg. It is 115, an hour and 15 minutes. So that's how often they spawn in, one at a time, every hour and 15 minutes. They don't duplicate like they did on the final Reich. On the final Reich, you could get into the pub and they would duplicate all over the map, and you'd have like tons of them spawning in non-stop within about 30 minutes. Well, on this map, it looks like they fixed that. So the spawns are really spread out and they don't duplicate. You can only stack them up if you're outside of the playable area. So in this glitch, what I did was I jumped in the glitch and then I went to sleep. And when I woke up, I had like 12 treasure zombies on the map because yeah, they kept spawning in every hour and 15 minutes, and yeah, they start to stack up. And what's nice about this glitch is they actually come inside the room with you. So all of them will come in the room. It may take them a few moments to spawn in there, but yeah, they will show up. And so far, from what I can tell, they don't crash your game. On Final Reich, they would. So yeah, all you have to do is just save a zombie, go to sleep. When you wake up, you should have several of them. Also, we had been testing if there was a certain way that you had to kill them to get them to drop apart, and there's not. You can melee them, headshot them, doesn't matter. It just is a random event. Last time I did this glitch, I went outside the map and we had to kill 25 treasure zombies before we collected all 3 parts. I'm doing it again here with this glitch, and I've killed 14 treasure zombies. It's taken about 17 hours to get to that point, and I've only collected 2 parts. So I'm guessing it's probably going to take another 5 to 10 treasure zombies before I'll get the last part. So it seems like it could be like 20 to 25 treasure zombies before you get all 3 parts. And you can see that that takes an incredibly long time if you only get one of them every hour, 15 minutes. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.